dear students, welcome to Maths Mentor, my YouTube channel. So very great welcome to all of you. Today we are going to discuss tangent and normal. It's a advanced part video. The basic version we have placed simultaneously. Here I would like to say again, the tangent and normal is a very important segment of chapter 6, where you can expect a 4 marks question in your annual examination or whatever the examination may be. It's a very good conceptual exercise, okay, which is related to the line of the 11th class, straight line I mean to say, because slope, normal, tangent, all concerning to the straight lines. Okay, I have discussed all the basic facts there, so you can, if you feel any kind of difficulty in this video, so search and go for that particular video, see that first and then come to the here. Okay, so what we have to do this question number 21, find the normal to the curve. हमें एक normal की equation निकालनी है. Normal means what? Equation of normal which is parallel to the given line. As we know, any curve having like this, है ना? We drawn a curve. We have to find a normal. This is we have to get. Okay, I am putting a question mark here. This is the normal we have to find. Okay, which is parallel to the another line. Which one is named like this? इसकी इक्वेशन हमें दे रखी है, हमें ये गिवन है, इट इज गिवन टू अस एंड दिस वी हैव टू फाइंड. जब भी टेंजेंट नॉर्मल के क्वेश्चंस करें, वेन एवर यू डू पुट द फिगर, you must put the figure to make it clear to the examiner what you are thinking basically and how you are going to do that. So call this one as a PH comma K. Let PH comma K is the point where normal parallel to the given line. Okay, हमने कह दिया कि ये बात है सब, ठीक है ना. वेल, अब हम करेंगे कैसे, देखिए. अब हम लोग पहले, बिकॉज इट इज गिवन टू दिस एक्स क्यूब प्लस 2x प्लस 6, ओके, डिफरेंशिएट इट. dy by dx is equals to 3x square plus 2. In chapter 6 I told that every question will be differentiated at least once. Okay, we got the differentiation. This is the slope of tangent. Slope of normal, as we know, at p is given as minus 1 upon में dy by dx at p. In this way we write that. Okay, p का तो h और k कोऑर्डिनेट है, dy by dx this is there, so put h square in place of x. This is the slope of normal. Okay, what is the slope of the given line? Slope of given line, ठीक है. Slope of given line, I would like to make a concept that ax plus by plus c is equals to 0. स्लोप हमें कैसे निकालना आया? माइनस a by b, माइनस का कोफिशिएंट ऑफ x डिवाइडेड बाय कोफिशिएंट ऑफ y. इन दिस वे वी कैन गेट द स्लोप ऑफ एनी लाइन. here slope of the given line m is equal to minus 1 over 14 in that way. Okay, well, now what we got, that slope of the normal we got this at p point. Okay, this one is represented by this and the slope of this line is represented by this one. अब हम कंपेयर कर लेंगे, दोनों सेम ही बात को दोहराते हैं, तो we will put both them together. हम उसको इक्वल रख देंगे, 3h square plus 12. हमें करना क्या होता है क्वेश्चन में, कोई क्लू ढूंढनी होती है ना. इस इक्वेशन को फाइंड करने के लिए हमें दो बातों की जरूरत है. वी नीड 2 points फॉर टू गेट इक्वेशन ऑफ ए लाइन. वन पॉइंट and the other is the slope. Okay, slope we got this. From here we can manipulate the slope. minus 1 upon 14 तो slope है, हमें आ जाएगा, आ चुका है, दिया हुआ है. We have to get h and k. To get a point we will utilize the given condition. By that way we will get a clue एंड देन एच एंड के विल बी डिटरमाइंड। तो हम इस तरह से देखिए, हम इसको इक्वल करने वाले हैं, माइनस माइनस कैंसिल हो जाएगा। इन दैट वे 3h² प्लस 12 इज इक्वल्स टू, है ना, 14 है। इट्स नॉट लुकिंग गुड, इट इज़ नॉट 12, इट इज़ 2। ओके, 3h² is equals to 12, then h² is equals to 4, then h is equals to plus minus 2. I got that. h आ चुका है हमें। सिंपली एट h is equals to 2, है ना। k की वैल्यू कैसे डिटरमाइन होगी? k हाउ वी विल गेट कम टू नो, सिंस y is equals to x³ plus 2x plus 6, y की जगह k पुट कर देंगे एंड x की जगह 2, 8 प्लस 10, हो ना, तो 18 वी गॉट हियर। तो p लेट कर लिया h कॉमा k, 2 and 18 वी हैव। ऑफ कोर्स वी आर गेटिंग अनदर पॉइंट एज वेल, है ना। तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल देयरफॉर इक्वेशन ऑफ नॉर्मल, ठीक है, इक्वेशन ऑफ नॉर्मल इज गिवन लाइक दिस, y माइनस y1 x माइनस x1, माइनस का 1 अपॉन में dy by dx यू कैन से, है ना, एट p पॉइंट। तो कोऑर्डिनेट्स आर नोन, y माइनस y1 18, x माइनस का 2, minus 1 upon dy by dx means what? The slope of the given line. Either you find from that, either you know that because the slope of the line will be, slope of normal will be the same, so put here minus 1 by 14. Okay, you must note that this is a crucial aspect of the question. Instead you can put here the value of this and place h की value 2, तब भी वही आनी है आपको, and in this way you got the idea. The homework left for you is that at h is equals to minus 2 get k in similar manner and find equation. Okay, I suppose it's a very comfortable task, you can do that. Now we have a very important question. What is that? Find all points on the curve. You can read from the NCERT or from the media, है ना। हमें ऐसे पॉइंट्स फाइंड करने हैं जिस पर टेंजेंट डाली जाए तो वो ऑरिजिन से पास होती हों। We need to find those tangents, those points where the tangent passes through origin, means the tangent like this, ऐसे। We need this point. Call this one as h comma k. You must draw the figure, understand? Let phk is the required point. First of all we will say, if there are multiple points then automatically the answer will be there, है ना। We will let only one point first. hk is the required point. क्या करेंगे हम? सबसे पहले जैसे मैंने कहा, गिवन ये दे रखा है हमें 4x³ माइनस 2x5, है ना। डिफ्रेंशिएट इट फर्स्ट, dy by dx इज इक्वल्स टू 4 इंटू 3x² माइनस 2 इंटू 5x की पावर 4, देन व्हाट इट विल बी 12x² माइनस 10x की पावर 4 एट p dy by dx यानी स्लोप ऑफ टेंजेंट, what happens at p, slope of tangent will be 12 hk, है ना, hk 12 h² minus 10 h की पावर 4, h and k we put there, 12 h² minus 10 h की पावर 4. This is the slope of tangent. It means slope of OP, tangent OP. Call this one as tangent OP. Okay, tangent OP, OP1 we got. What is the slope of OP in otherwise also we know? Slope of OP by which formula? Slope of OP, as I told that y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. In that way also slope OP की जो वैल्यू होगी k minus 0 and h minus 0. You got here k by h. This is also slope of OP and this one also slope of OP. Therefore call this one as a 1 and 2. Therefore 1 must be equals to 2, है ना। 1 equals to 2, तो k upon h is equals to 12h² minus 10h की पावर 4, we will keep that. तो k is equals to 12h की cube 10h की power 5. Call this one as an equation 3. This we got that. One more clue is that hk, you see h and k, where it lie? It lie on the curve. वो तो curve के ऊपर है. Hence it will satisfy the given curve. इस कर्व को वो सेटिस्फाई करे. सेटिस्फाई का मतलब होता है x की वैल्यू और h की वैल्यू हम h और k पुट कर सकते हैं. How we will write that? Since p h k, what we are doing basically, we got one equation in h and k. We are trying to explore any other equation in h and k. Okay, so we are doing this. p h k lie on the given curve, hence it satisfy करेगा, यानी h और k की वैल्यू रिप्लेस कर देंगे. ठीक है, y इज इक्वल्स टू 4x का क्यूब माइनस 2x की पावर 5. सो कीप हियर इन दिस वे माइनस 2h की पावर 5. सो k is this. So put this value here. So we have to solve these two equations. Put in 5, put in 3. In place of that, अगर हम ये put कर देंगे तो what I will get? See this? 10h5 को इधर ले आते हैं and 12h cube है minus 4h का cube. So in that way 8h की power 5 is equals to 8h की power cube. So 8h square 8h का cube equals to 0. Take the common 8h square 8h cube instead 8h cube common लेने पे हमें h square minus 1 will be left. Then h cube will be 0, h square minus 1 will be 0. In that sense h is equals to 0, h is equals to plus minus का 1 आया हमें. Okay, therefore h have three values, minus 1 and 1, and these all points, at these all values we will get the k. By that we will come to the points. Since from wherever you can do, since k is equals to 4h cube minus 2h की power 5, so at h is equals to 0, k will be what? 0 minus 0 will be 0. So p is one of the point 0 0 you got. I will do the next value also for next value, otherwise you will blame me that I am not doing any part from my counterpart. Okay, h की वैल्यू माइनस 1 रखते हैं. k is equals to 4 into minus 1 का स्क्वायर 2 into minus 1 की पावर 5. In that way minus 1 की पावर क्यूब, then it will be minus 4, then it will minus 2 plus 2, so minus 2 आ गया. तो क्यूब कह दीजिए इसे h कॉमा k को, है ना, minus 1 और minus 2 आया. Still I would like to leave a value for you. x की वैल्यू 1 पे आप डिटरमाइन कर लीजिए. In that way you got all the points. Very good question, है ना. ये सपोज करते हैं हम लोग एग्जाम्स में, अक्सर ये पूछा जाता है. Now here we took an example you can get from there in exercise. Find all equation of tangent to the curve where it crosses to the x-axis. It's a very good question. Understand? It's an important question. As a question, as a concept, both are good. क्या कहता है? आपको टेंजेंट निकालना है ऐसे पॉइंट पे जहां ये कर्व एक्स एक्सिस को कट करती है. ठीक है, माई हैंड राइटिंग इज नॉट सो गुड, सो आई सपोज यू विल एक्सक्यूज मी फॉर दैट सेक. हाँ, ठीक है, आइए आगे बढ़ते हैं. धीरे धीरे आपको समझ में आ जाएगी मेरी हैंड राइटिंग, सबको आ जाती है क्लासरूम में बच्चों को. यू विल ऑल्सो बी फैमिलियर व्हाट आई राइट. ओके, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ड्रॉ द फिगर. Whenever you do a question of tangent and normal, you must have the figure first. Okay, मैंने फिगर ऐसे डाल दिया. क्या कहता है? एक कर्व जहां x एक्सिस को कट करती है वहां पर टेंजेंट की इक्वेशन आपको गेट करनी है. दिस यू हैव टू गेट. this you have to get equation of tangent. Okay, this is the given curve. ये आपको curve दे रखा है, it is given to you. Call this one as a P H comma 0. Let the point on x-axis is P H comma 0. Why 0? Because y coordinate will be 0 at x-axis. H comma 0 where tangent cuts the where curve cuts the x-axis. Okay, to get that, how to get that, we have to put, therefore P H comma 0 lie on it, hence it satisfies. Put y is equals to 0. Because y equal to 0 तो आप उसमें 0 पुट कर दोगे, x माइनस का 7 यानी h you will get here, h minus 2, h minus 3. तो put y is equals to 0 and x is equals to h. So in that way h minus 7 is equals to 0, h is equals to 7 you got. The point P is 7, 0. दो बातें आपको चाहिए होती हैं every time whenever you have to find the line in form of tangent or normal. 2 points to be noted. One, the point from where that line passes and the slope of that line. ठीक है ना, हमें point तो आ गया, अब हमें केवल मतलब स्लोप चाहिए. स्लोप आ जाएगा, स्लोप ऑफ टेंजेंट तो इजी होता है, हम डिफ्रेंशिएट कर लेंगे. सिंस y इज इक्वल टू x माइनस 7, x माइनस 2 एंड x माइनस 3. डिफ्रेंशिएट, थोड़ा सा कॉम्प्लिकेशन है इसका डिफ्रेंशिएशन. dy by dx, व्हाट वी हैव, वी विल अप्लाई कोशेंट रूल. ओके, इसका होल स्क्वायर आएगा, सो लीव दिस डिफ्रेंशिएशन ऑफ x माइनस 7 एंड माइनस x minus 2, x minus 7 you have to leave, and derivative of x minus 2 and x minus 3. कंजेशन हो गई है, चलेगा, होता है मैथ्स में अक्सर ऐसे होती है. देखिए x minus 2 का स्क्वायर, x minus 3 का स्क्वायर. We will do x minus 2 and x minus 3. The differentiation of this is 1 minus. What about the other issue? These two terms are in product, so while leaving x minus 2 and differentiating x minus 3, you will get here 1 plus, leave x minus 3 and then apply differentiation for x minus 2, you will get 1. So in this way you have this. Okay, but I won't solve this because some simplification is going to be made by the given help. At ph at p7 0 यानी पुट करेंगे x की वैल्यू 7, y की वैल्यू 0 here. तो क्या होगा देखिए, while you put x is equal to 7 here, तो 7 minus 2 and 7 minus 3 minus 7 minus 7 and the entire term whatever it may be, this is going to be 0. This part वो ख़त्म होने वाला है. 5 और ये 4 आया, 5 का स्क्वायर आएगा और 4 का स्क्वायर. इन दैट वे यू विल लेफ्ट विथ 5 and 4. दिस इज द स्लोप. ओके, देन द इक्वेशन ऑफ टेंजेंट इज वेरी सिंपल. इक्वेशन ऑफ टेंजेंट y minus y1 x minus x1 is equals to slope y minus 0 x minus 7 is equals to 1 upon 20. It's a very good question, and this kind of questions there in the some references book where the in CBSE also asked that kind of questions. So go through some reference books, you will get 1 or 2 more questions of similar kind. If he talk about where it crosses the y-axis, put x is equals to 0 to get the coordinate and do the rest of the task similarly. ठीक है, हो जाएगा. So I suppose these 3 questions will help you a lot to understand the depth of the topic tangent and normal. I suppose but I will again say go through the basic video of this particular exercise. You will get a complete idea of this whole topic. Okay, and if you got this lecture very as a purposeful to you, then subscribe it please, and press the bell icon also to get the notification for our other videos. Okay, see you in the next video. Till then.